Hello everyone, my name is Max. Today I want to talk about Collagen Select. Does this collagen really work? Is it as good as they say? Why do some people notice amazing results while others don't? After all, this product is making a huge splash in the market. So, stay with me until the end because I have some truths to share about Collagen Select. First, I found the official website of the manufacturer, and I'll leave the link in the description of this video, but don't click it just yet. It's very important that you hear everything I have to say. Collagen Select is a delicious tropical flavored collagen drink that promises to take care of the appearance of your skin. It is known for visibly reducing wrinkles, increasing skin elasticity, and helping to maintain a youthful and firm appearance. If you want to preserve your natural beauty, this is the ideal product. But why does Collagen Select work for some people and not for others? The answer is simple: the quality of the product. There are many counterfeit collagens on the market, and you need to be careful not to fall into that trap. To ensure safe and effective results, always buy the original product. In Collagen Select, you'll find an innovative formula with Verisol, a hydrolyzed collagen that stimulates collagen production and helps smooth out wrinkles and improve skin elasticity. It also contains an amazing blend of 9 active ingredients, including Moldavian dragonhead extract, vitamins A, C, biotin, zinc, and copper, which together care for the health of your skin, hair, and nails. And the best part? Collagen Select is guaranteed. If you're not satisfied, there's a money-back guarantee within 60 days. This shows the manufacturer's confidence in the product's effectiveness. If it didn't work, they wouldn't offer that guarantee. So, be vigilant and buy only the original. Now, click the link in the description and check out the official website of Collagen Select. See testimonials from those who have used it and verify the effectiveness of this product that is transforming the skin of millions of women. I hope you achieve your beauty goals. Big hug and see you soon.